Welcome to Pezego. On the welcome screen, you can select your preferred language. We currently support 5 languages, including 2 Ghanaian languages, Chi and Yu. First, select your country. We offer tailored features for different regions. Here, we shall select Ghana. Pezego uses OTP authentication, so there is no need to memorize a password. The system will send a one-time passcode for you to log in or register. For now, we are using a virtual OTP, which appears directly on the verification screen for your convenience. Once verified, if it is your first time logging in, you will need to select your role. Please choose either ESO, Extension Service Officer, or Farmer. If you are an ESO, you will enter your name, your professional level, and your primary work area. For this demonstration, we will proceed as a farmer. After granting the necessary permissions, you will be taken to your dashboard. Here, you can view real-time weather information for your current location, including temperature, conditions, precipitation probability, and wind speed. Our app features 2 primary tools. First, let us explore pest identification. Tap the Detection tab at the bottom, then select Detect Pest. When using this for the first time, the app will request camera access. Simply point your camera at the pest, tap Capture, then Detect Pest. In just a moment, the identification results will be displayed. Next is our fall armyworm analysis and management tool. Navigate to the Analysis tab and tap Analyze Armyworm. Start by selecting the larvae size and your location. You can enter the region and district manually or use automatic positioning. Next, enter your crop type, its growth stage, the total number of plants inspected, and how many are infested. Optionally, you may attach photos to help the ESO better understand the situation in your field. If this is your first analysis, the system will ask for your name so an officer can contact you later. Don't worry, you only need to enter this once. Tap Analyze, and our AI will evaluate your field data. Once the report is generated, you will find several key sections: risk assessment, which indicates the threat level, analysis reasoning, explaining the RE's logic, recommended actions, and a summary of your submission. If you prefer not to read the text, simply tap the Read Aloud button in the top right corner to hear the report via our text-to-speech feature.
The risk rating is high and the risk value is 9000.0%. The reasoning for these ratings is as follows. Reasoning 1. 75% of inspected plants are damaged.
If you would like a second opinion on the RE's advice, you can tap Assign to ESO to have a professional review your report. Here, you can see a list of registered ESOs. Officers in your specific region are highlighted for easy access. You can also see their impact, such as the number of farmers they have assisted and reports they have verified. Use the filter in the top right to narrow down officers by region or district. Select an officer, tap Assign, and you are all set. Once assigned, you can contact the officer directly. Simply tap the Call Assigned ESO button on your report details page to launch your phone's dialer and get immediate professional support. Now, let's switch to the perspective of the assigned ESO. On the dashboard, a notification alert appears in the top right. Tapping this reveals that a farmer has assigned a report to you. Upon opening the report, the ESO can review the AI-generated findings. The farmer's contact number is available here, allowing you to call them directly for a consultation. You can also view the original context and any uploaded photos. If the RE's recommendations require adjustment, simply tap Modify to update the advice. Once satisfied, tap Confirm. When everything is correct, tap Verify. The report status will then update from AI-generated to officer-verified. The detection feature also offers unique capabilities for ESOs. After capturing a pest photo, an ESO can use their expertise for manual identification. By tapping the Manual button, the officer can select the pest name from a predefined list or search for it directly. Once confirmed, tap Add Pest to upload the record to the server. ESOs can also use the AI identification tool just like a farmer. However, with their specialist knowledge, ESOs have the added ability to correct AI results. By tapping Modify and selecting the correct species, the refined record is uploaded and displayed on the dashboard. Pezego also features a dedicated Detections and Records tab. After identifying a pest, an ESO can tap Record Context to log the crop type, growth stage, infestation severity, and field photos. Pezego automatically fetches real-time climate data for the location, creating a complete environmental record. Pezego also introduces the Community tab, a role-protected, ESO-only forum designed for professional knowledge sharing. In the newest first feed, officers can browse discussions, filter posts by tags, or tap the floating button to open the composer. Here, they can write detailed posts, select relevant tags, upload up to 9 images, and insert real field records directly from their detection, observation, or analysis history. For safety, the app automatically redacts sensitive farmer contact details from these record cards. ESOs can join the conversation through threaded comments and nested replies, edit or delete their own posts at any time. By tapping the Profile button, you can view your impact milestones, including the number of reports you have verified and the number of farmers you have supported. High-level officers, such as district, regional, or national ESOs, can also monitor the milestones of their entire team. Finally, let's return to the farmer's view. Once the ESO has completed the verification, the farmer will see the updated officer-verified status on their dashboard. Opening the report reveals the latest professional advice. Pezego. Empowering farmers with technology and expertise.